In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up settings and then scroll down to system settings. Scroll down again to backup and reset, and then select reset phone, erase all data, try once more, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about 3 to 5 minutes to finish up, and once it is, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.